Welcome everyone to our channel. Today we are going on an amazing journey through space and time to find out how the universe came to be. We will deal with the most complicated questions, but we will try to do it in a clear and simple way. This video will help us not only to better understand the universe, but also ourselves, because our existence is closely connected with its mysteries. The beginning of everything. The Big Bang. Many people wonder, where did the universe come from? One of the most popular scientific explanations is the Big Bang theory. This theory says that about 13.8 billion years ago, there was a huge explosion that started everything: time, space, matter, and energy. Up until that point, the universe was at a point where neither space nor time existed. It was a point of zero density and infinite temperature. But at some point, this point exploded and everything we see around us began to exist. After the explosion, the universe began to expand and cool rapidly. It wasn't just a physical phenomenon. It was the birth of the laws of physics that still apply today. Imagine this. In the first few seconds after the explosion, the universe was so hot that particles of matter could not connect to each other. But over time, it cooled, and those particles began to form the first atoms. This part of the history of the universe shows us that even out of chaos and destruction, something incredible can be born. It is important to remember that in life, as in the universe, new opportunities and perspectives can arise out of difficult moments. The birth of stars and galaxies. After the Big Bang, it took several 100 million years before the first stars appeared. These huge clusters of hydrogen and helium began to shrink under the action of gravity, leading to the appearance of light in the universe. The birth of stars was an important step in the development of the cosmos because stars are sources of energy and light. Each star is like a huge furnace inside which nuclear reactions take place. These reactions create new elements such as carbon, oxygen, iron, everything that life needs to exist. When a star has used all of its fuel, it can explode as a supernova, scattering all of these elements across the cosmos. Through this process, stars seed the universe with material for new stars, planets, and even life. These stars then begin to coalesce into galaxies, giant clusters of stars, gas, and dust. Our galaxy is the Milky Way, which contains the solar system and our Earth. There are billions of stars in each galaxy, and each of them may have planets. Looking at the stars makes us think about how huge structures emerge from small particles. It reminds us that everything in the world is connected, and even the smallest things can become part of something great. The mysteries of dark matter and energy. Although stars and galaxies are bright and visible objects, most of the matter in the universe remains invisible to us. Scientists believe that about 85% of the matter in space is dark matter. We can't see it, but its presence can be sensed by its influence on the motion of galaxies and stars. Dark matter doesn't interact with light, so we can't observe it directly. However, it plays an important role in the formation and stabilization of galaxies. Without dark matter, galaxies would not be able to stick together, and our universe would look very different. In addition, there is another mystery: dark energy. This is the mysterious force that speeds up the expansion of the universe. Scientists don't yet know what this energy is or how it works, but its effect on the cosmos is very large. Dark energy makes up about 70% of the universe's energy, and it determines its future evolution. These invisible forces remind us that there are also many things in life that remain hidden. Sometimes the most important things we can't see, but they have a huge impact on us, life, and its place in the universe. As stars and galaxies evolved, the conditions for life emerged. Hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and other elements that are created in stars become the basis for complex chemical compounds that can form living organisms. Our planet Earth is one of those planets with the ideal conditions for life. Because of its position in the solar system, the presence of water and an atmosphere, Earth has been able to harbor life, which has evolved over time into complex forms, including us humans. When we think about life, we realize that we are part of a vast cosmic system. We are made up of the same elements as the stars, and ultimately, our connection to the cosmos is deeper than we can imagine. Realizing this can give us a sense of unity with everything that exists around us, the future of the universe and humanity. The universe continues to expand, and the future of this process remains a mystery to scientists. There are several theories about what might happen to the universe in the distant future. One hypothesis